Welcome! In front of me I have Diesel on Full Guard 2.5 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First we need to open the Wear OS app on our phone. After that we need to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the right middle button and go to the screen we want to take a screenshot of. For example, I'm gonna open the alarm app like this. Now to take a screenshot, we need to go back to the app, tap on the More Options icon right here, and tap on the option called Take a Screenshot of a Watch, like this. After a few seconds, you should get the notification that the screenshot is ready to be sent. As you can see, tap on it, and you will get the list of apps you can use to send the screenshot with. You can send it via WhatsApp, Discord, Gmail, Messages, Bluetooth. You can upload it to Drive or Photos, but you can also save the screenshot on your phone. To do it, you need to use some kind of file manager. As you can see, I have a Total Commander right here at the top of the list. Select it, then tap on Just Once or Always. I'm gonna use the Just Once option. Here we have the Total Commander. We can open the internal storage. Let's create new folder by tapping this icon, naming it like this, then tapping OK. Let's find our folder. Where is it hiding? Right here. Open it. And now tap right here to change the name of the screenshot. And tap OK to confirm and save your screenshot. As you can see, it says that the file was saved. I can go to File Manager, Storage, Internal Storage, find the folder called Diesel on Screenshot, and here we have our screenshot. Let's open it with Gallery, like this. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.